My beloved child, I saw you last night. Yes, that moment when the world was silent, when your room was dark and your heart was heavy. You tried to be strong all day. You smiled in front of others. You said, "I'm fine," but I heard the words you never spoke. I felt the tears you tried to hide. When you sat alone and your thoughts became louder than your faith, I was there. When you asked, "Lord, do you even see me?" I answered even though you did not hear me yet. I have never left you, not for a second. I am Jesus Christ, and you are mine. My child, you think your pain is invisible. You think your struggles are unnoticed. But every tear you cry falls into my hands. Every sigh you release reaches my heart. You are not weak because you feel broken. You are human. And even in your breaking, I am building something beautiful inside you. You see your delay, but I see your preparation. You see rejection, but I see protection. You see loneliness, but I see our time together. There are things I am doing for you right now that you cannot understand yet. Doors I am closing to save you. Paths I am redirecting to protect you. Battles I am fighting for you in silence. My child, you have asked me, "Lord, when will my time come?" And I say to you now, your time is closer than you think. Do not lose faith in the waiting, because the waiting is not punishment, it is positioning. I am positioning you for blessings that are bigger than your current pain. I am strengthening your heart so you can carry what you prayed for. I am teaching you to trust me, not your circumstances. Because circumstances change, but I never change. You may feel forgotten by people, but you are never forgotten by me. You may feel unloved by the world, but you are deeply loved by me. My love for you is not based on your success. It is not based on your perfection. It is based on who you are. And you are my child, my precious child. I know there are nights when fear whispers to you. Fear tells you that you will fail. Fear tells you that nothing will change. Fear tells you that you are not enough. But listen to me. Fear is a liar. You are stronger than you know, not because of your power, but because of mine in you. The storm you are facing will not destroy you. It will reveal you. It will reveal your strength. It will reveal your faith. It will reveal the purpose I placed inside you. My child, do not run away from the storm. Walk through it with me. Hold my hand. Trust my voice. Because on the other side of this storm, there is a new you waiting. A stronger you, a wiser you, a blessed you. I know you have lost things. I know you have lost people. I know you have lost parts of yourself. But hear me clearly. What you lost, I can restore. What was broken, I can heal. What was stolen, I can return in greater measure. Nothing is impossible for me. Nothing. Even now, as you listen to these words, I am working in your life. I am opening doors. I am arranging miracles. I am aligning your path. You may not see it today, but you will see it. And when you do, you will understand why you had to go through this season. You will understand why the pain was necessary. You will understand why I asked you to wait. My child, do not give up now. You have come too far to quit. Your story is not over. Your breakthrough is coming. Your healing is coming. Your peace is coming. Your blessing is coming. Trust me. Even when it's hard, even when it hurts, even when it doesn't make sense, trust me. Because I see what you cannot see. I know what you do not know, and I am leading you to a future greater than you imagined. One day, you will smile again. Not a forced smile, Not a fake smile, but a real smile, a peaceful smile, a grateful smile. And in that moment, you will remember this season, and you will say, Jesus never left me. I am with you now. I will be with you tomorrow. I will be with you always. You are not alone. You never were. I love you forever.